I write to you not in anger, but in solemn reflection, mindful of the weight of your office and the responsibility it carries before both the living and those who came before us. Tunapenda mashukrani mlenyu kwa pango na chinzi, an open letter to the President of the Republic of Zimbabwe by retired Dio Shepherd. Based on not subscribe or like on the bell icon. Your Excellency, between the Zambezi and the Limpopo, God blessed a people and endowed them with what many nations can only dream of: vast mineral wealth, fertile land, the rich biodiversity, cultures and languages found nowhere else on earth. This was not by chance or accident of geography. It was God-ordained inheritance, deliberate, abundant, and sufficient for every Zimbo. Those who came before us, our ancestors, may not have possessed the tools or knowledge to fully exploit the resources beneath their feet. They may not have understood the full commercial value of what lay beneath their soil. Yet, they understood something fundamental, that the land belonged to its people and that it must be protected and passed on to future generations. Mr. President, our forebears fulfilled that duty. They preserved, they handed over. Today, the responsibility rests with us and most directly with you as President. Your Excellency, the presence of gold, diamonds, lithium, and other resources in Zimbabwe is not a measure of modern leadership. It is our starting point. It is the ledger balance we inherited. Leadership is measured not by what exists beneath the soil, but what is built above it, and by how efficiently natural wealth is transformed into shared prosperity, dignity, and opportunity for all Zimbos. Where this transformation of livelihoods does not occur, one question naturally arises: Mr. President, are we stewarding this inheritance or merely consuming it, and recklessly so? This is not simply an economic concern, it is a moral one, Mr. President. To lead Zimbabwe is to hold a sacred trust, to safeguard resources that are not personal, to exercise power that is not private, and to always act in the interest of both present and future generations. Mr. President, the instruments of the state, its land, its institutions, security apparatus exist to protect and uplift the people, not to distance them from the benefits of their own inheritance. Do an open letter in your papangwa in the president. Report them of Muro Eng Mot Kudi Council Pitch to each. Now, comment section, I do the Google Eng, so subscribe or like, chat on the bill.